Hello everyone, I'm Shanta. This is Rudolph. He doesn't even know his own name. And we are both so happy today. I'm on your head.
Oh my god.
And the people who made us glued our legs on sideways.
Sideways.
See, look. Sideways.